Right there. We got the cab forward on the inside track. These are Williams. And the New York Central on the outside track. And we got the smoke running. Holy moly. Not very often I get to do that. But I didn't know whether the cab forward is run on the inside track, but it runs all right. These are, oh my goodness. I don't want to run into the back of that train. And of course these ones don't back up. Had to put them on lockout. Now we'll bring this one up here. Oh, I see why. Off the track, eh? Over there. The top of that smokestack is hot. Okay, turn the power off on the rail. It's nasty. Just when you get things running right, things go wrong. It takes an hour to get them up, and then they go kabootz. Well, I got a new dinky toy on the weekend at the train show in Prescott. Fantastic train show. It was packed. When I went in there at 10 o'clock, I bet you there were 1,000 people inside the arena at the time, which is something else. Now I don't know how I'm going to get those. Those cars are light, eh? That's the trouble. They're too light to run with a long train. There goes my bridge. Good thing there was nothing on it. Anyway, we did have 5 trains up running earlier today, and I thought I'd try and get these Williams up running. They do run nice. I do like that little coupler on the front there, the scale size coupler on the front. There it is. Anyway, not much to see here now. It's going to take me another half an hour to get trains back in running condition, in right configuration. But we'll get them up and running, and it was finally good today to get the other 5 trains running. You can see why it's great to have remote control on your engines. To get them to run forward, these Williams ones, you got to play around with your throttle, and they're lovely engines, and they're great. They won't ever deteriorate because they're all brass, so they'll never have any deterioration. But they're still tricky to get running lots of times. And I tried to get the big boy running, but big boy Williams running, and there's something wrong with it. It was running, and then you pick it up and you put it back on the track, and it doesn't run. Anyway, take care. I'll get back to you, and we'll try and get these things running again. Bye for now.